What's up, gems? Hey guys, I am back for another video, and today's video is going to be about me trying on my Yianna, I think that's how you say it, my Yianna waist trainer. And I'm going to make a, I want to say 6 weeks or 9 week challenge for myself to train my waist in those weeks. I don't know how many weeks that I'm gonna do, but I'll be coming back every week so that you can see my progress, so that y'all can basically see my results. Is it working for me? What I'm doing, is it working for me? Because this is a part of my weight loss journey, and I have been struggling in this area for so long. And I hope you guys can hear me. Of course, there's a lot of things going on in my background. I'm cooking some in the air fryer, and my daughter is watching Blippi so that she can be quiet, because we just got off work and it just came today, and I just really want to get this video out today for you guys. And I'm going to start training tomorrow. Today is Tuesday, August the... No, I said Tuesday, Jesus. It's Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Today is Monday, August the 24th. And yeah, so let's get into today's video, guys. Y'all don't mind my wig because it is looking ragged. Alright, it's looking a mess right now because your girl is not prepared. She didn't have her on no lashes today. None of that. So let's get right on head into the video, y'all.
Living, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Alright, y'all, so the first thing that I'm going to do is open the package, y'all. So I done opened the package. Alright, y'all, so I just had a couple of technical difficulties, y'all. So I got the packaging open, and so far I love the packaging. It is by Yianna. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below. I ordered a 2X just to be sure that it fits. I normally am in between a 1X and a extra large, but my friend has one of these, and she said that she wished she had ordered up or whatever so it could be comfortable. I ordered the breathable waist 4-hook trainer. I also use Evelyn's Cosmetics, and I know I haven't seen a lot of videos of Evelyn Cosmetics used on a big girl, voluptuous, and yeah, so I want to see if I get actual results, y'all, off of these products. So we're just gonna go ahead and try it on, and I will show you a clip of me having it on, and I will give you my honest review about how I feel about this waist trainer, because I have plenty of waist trainers, sweat belts, but I still haven't found one that fits me, that's suitable for me. So we're gonna try this one and see if it's suitable, if it's breathable like it says. A lot of waist trainers like this you can't sit down in and you can't breathe. So let's go ahead and see how it is, y'all. So let me tell y'all something. I vowed to show y'all the good, the bad, the ugly of this weight loss journey. I have lost in total of, from my first starting point, I was 242.6. I lost the 2.6 pounds by the time I went to my doctor's appointment, which I was 240 and some change, 240.5, 240.8. I am now 232.8. So I have lost roughly about 7.4 pounds. Yeah, my daughter, I'm gonna just get this out of the way, but let me just show y'all how much of an epic fail this was. If y'all, I love the belt, mind you. I'm gonna keep this one for when I size down. let me just tell you, my husband is leaving. They all in my video. Your food is coming. I gotta get your food because it's cooling off. Go over there and watch Blippi, please. 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 Alright, y'all. So let me just go ahead and show y'all. It was an epic. Hold on, let me show y'all. It was an epic fail, y'all. This is the good, the bad, the ugly, the indifferent. But I like it, you know. It's sucking my back fat in. I do like this belt, but it's just not the right size. If you are a big girl like me and you are in the 240s, like I said, this is a 2X. I should have... Okay. I should have kept in mind that... Journey, move. I should have kept in mind the material. Journey.
No.
I don't need the blanket. Anyways, because she won't let me be great. Anyways, my honest review is I love the belt, but I should have kept in mind the material of the belt. So I'm going to order me another one. And this time I'm going to order way up on the sizing scale. I think it go up to 4X to 5X. I got a 2X. Like I said, I got a 2X. So it was an epic fail. So when I get the new belt, being that I said I'm gonna do another unboxing. And yeah, I'm gonna do another unboxing and we're gonna go from there, and then from then on I will do my waist training. So I have to get another one, y'all. So stay tuned. Yeah, I'm so ghetto. Anyways, stay tuned for more videos on this channel. I know let me just go, because I know I kept saying that I'm gonna get more videos out on this channel, but it's just been so much trying to catch up on my vlogging channel. And now that I'm almost caught up on the vlogging channel, I can focus over here more. I can make videos, I can make content over here. But you're not even supposed to be on this channel. Thank you. Anywho, y'all, I will check in probably tomorrow to let you guys know the status of me getting another belt. But like I said, I do love that belt, and my husband loves this belt as well, because it's gonna shape me. I cannot wait to get my new belt. So if you like this video, even though it was an epic fail, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. I got... Pause that, babe. We're watching Umbrella Academy. Sorry, y'all, that it's so loud. Okay, sorry that it's so loud. We was watching Umbrella Academy, but I got my waist trainer in. I'm super excited. So this is the bigger size, and I'm gonna go and try it on, and then I'll be back once I get it on so I can show you how it looks. Y'all, so I finally got it on. My hands hurt so bad, y'all. Only because this material. So I had to go up and get a 5X. This is not the breathable one that I had gotten yesterday, but I'm out of breath, y'all. But I'm gonna start training my waist, y'all. Like, this is cool. Like, let me sit y'all right there so y'all can see. So I gotta stand up on my tippy toes. So this is how it looks. Hold on, let me try to find another angle. I gotta find y'all another angle. All right, here we go. So this is how it looks. It's sucking me in pretty good, like, y'all. This is like really sucking me in pretty good. And then this is from the front. And yes, y'all, I can breathe. I definitely can breathe. It's snug on me. I can breathe. I definitely can breathe. But I love it. This is how it looks down here. It reminds me of like a faja I've been seeing in the BBL videos that I be looking at, but it reminds me of faja. But I'm gonna be training my waist, y'all. So I'm officially starting, being that I got a new size, I'm officially starting tomorrow, y'all. Well, yeah, tomorrow is Wednesday. So I'm gonna start on tomorrow. That way I can give y'all every week update on Wednesday. So this video will be out tonight. Thank y'all for watching my unboxing. Y'all, I hope you guys enjoy this video, gems. I'm trying to get snatched, baby. Snatched. Okay? Talk to y'all later. Bye.